I'll be having a test on Wednesday, a maths test, and I currently have 1,000 assignments to do right now that are due tomorrow. But yeah, this is maths. Let's push because next year is the last year. time is 7:42, and while scrolling on TikTok, I came across this lip combo and I tried it. I don't know how it looks, but it's, girl, it's kind of giving, you know, kind of giving baddie vibes. Okay guys, so yeah, today's a Wednesday, the 18th of September, and I had my two tests. I had two tests, language and math, the ones I was studying for yesterday. I didn't vlog at school because I'm gonna vlog on Friday, so which means I'm gonna be seeing you guys on Friday or maybe Saturday, I don't know. But yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to bed now because I'm not tired. I don't feel tired finally, but I feel like going to bed because I'm gonna wake up and study my religious education, because next week I'll be having a religious education test that I probably won't perform well in. We should be positive, okay? It's all about positivity, even though you know you're not just gonna make it positivity. So I don't know, I'm gonna see you guys on Friday. I'm hungry, so let's do something about that. Hey guys, so I'm currently at school, FN class, having cocoa. Hey yo, what's up, Kushina? Out in Steven and content flow. We are drinking tea. It's cocoa. We are drinking cocoa. Don't be too African. I'm home. It's been hours and hours. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, these are opened already because I've been snacking. I got these Chinese spice flavored Lays. These taste so good. You guys know I love Doritos, but I bought these. And I also got these potato Italian garlic whatever flavor. So yummy. I also got these biscuits, coconut and oat crunch. I cannot wait to have these. I got Aquale. Then I also went to China City. I got these. I got an eraser. Wait. Good quality. Okay, good quality because I so wanted an eraser. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. This one is just, yeah, because wow, at school people like borrow your things left, right and center. This was $5, by the way, and yeah, it's annoying when people take your stuff, your things, and then don't return them. I recently lost my eraser, and the one I was using was really bad quality. We do a lot of drawings these days, a lot of diagrams, a lot of calculations in math, and this wasn't it. I won't get something unless I need it or want. Yeah, I got this for $20, China City. Still, this is so cute. Come on. Oh, what just fell? Ooh. I'm so into jewelry these days. Wow, oh my gosh. These look awesome. I like this one. Look at it. Look at how it will look. Oh my gosh. This is like my first jewelry purchase this year. Yeah. And then look at this one. The gold. Let's see how the gold looks. Oh, wait. It keeps on turning, but okay, yeah. This is so cute. Well, that's it for today. I'm going to sleep now. No, I'm not going to sleep. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Bro, today's weather was really bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. And first I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna edit because I need to upload. I do not know when I'll be uploading, but I'll upload soon. Good morning. Okay guys, the time is 15 minutes past 10 in the morning. I have to go to my friend's house today, but the weather is denying it all. Like, I have to clean the kitchen and I still have homework to do. I know I look crusty and I really do not care because it's still morning. I feel so terrible. But anyway, okay, I'm going to have breakfast now and then I'm gonna head to the bathroom to do my morning routine, skincare routine. 11:15, I don't know. Okay, in this weather is just not giving. Okay, I'm ready. I'm wearing my new necklace. This is the gold one. Yeah, and I'm getting out of the house now. I think I'm gonna see you guys later. Okay guys, so I finished with the assignment. That's not the only thing I have to do. I'm still left with my food and nutrition assignment. I have to do a presentation. But then I still have tomorrow for that one. So I'm not gonna dwell so much on that. Hey guys, it's a bit later now. Ignore the noise outside. So I wanted to give you guys a mini haul of everything that my parents got for me. So first of all, I got these two marking pencils. They're just pencils. And drawing mat. These are the pens that I use for everyday school, projects, classwork, tests, exam. I use these. It's rainy season. I got an umbrella. I opened this one to check, but then yeah, it's good. It's the big sized umbrella, which is convenient because it fits into my bag and it's a big size. It's a big size. So next, chicken noodles, my favorite. Well, in Kellogg's they taste good, but in a different brand, no. My mom got me this camphor cream body lotion. It smells refreshing. This is how it looks. So yeah, and I don't know if I will carry on vlogging even tomorrow, but we'll see guys. We'll see.
Oh my god!